think game imekuwa poa, having that we played Gor Mahia on Wednesday, and then today again we are playing Gor Mahia, again another result here 1-1. I think now needs to step up tuone kama tunaweza funga na to defend vizuri, because each time sisi tunatangulia kufunga then wanatoka nyuma na equalizer. So I think but as a team wamework vizuri, team imefanya poa. Now we will look forward. Tunacheza next FC Leopards. Let's see how it goes.
I need to do a lot of work on this field to make it playable. It's not playable. You can't play football on there. You know, it's just depressing. Absolutely depressing. That's all I can say about the game. There was no quality in the game whatsoever from our team or from Bidco.